Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for wall coverings that are going to give you a nice, finished, professional look, then you should check out some WPC panels from Upick. We use these on a couple different wall surfaces because we're renovating out in our warehouse. The first place we installed them was over sheetrock. We chose to install them with adhesive. Now, if you do that, you are going to need more than what comes with the package. We also cut the panels in half. So we got the 94 inches by just over 6.5 inches wide, and we wanted to just install it on half of our wall. It was very easy to cut with a table saw. And as you can see, the adhesive worked really well. The other place we installed it was with the full-length panels on this wall, and we used screws because we were drilling into metal panels. I would caution you that if you do use screws or a nail gun, to not get close to the edges because that can cause splitting. I really like how lightweight these are. It makes it easy to install. And they even send trim molding for the edges, so you really do get that like totally finished look. These are fluted, and I really liked how they interlock together. It made it look very seamless, which I appreciated a lot. I got the oak color, but Upick has other colors to choose from as well. We're very pleased by how quick these went up and just how great it makes our walls look, and that's our point of view.